Hello everyone. If you've decided to deactivate your X profile, I'll show you how to do that in a few simple steps. Before we start, deactivating an account is different from deleting an account in that access to the account can be restored. Now let's proceed with the process. Open X app. Click on your profile icon. Click on Settings and Support. Click on Settings again. Click on the first option, Your Account. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the option Deactivate Account. Click on this option. Upon completing this procedure, your username and public profile will no longer be visible. A good option is that you can restore your account within the next 30 days if you change your mind. Now, to deactivate the account, click on Deactivate. You need to enter your password to complete the process. After that, all that's left is to click on the Deactivate button and that's it, done. If this video helped you, like it and share it. Subscribe to the channel.